three steps to take if your Eufy security camera isn't working. So the first step, just make sure that the battery is charged up. In this camera, you can see that the green light here is on, so the camera is charged. If the app shows that it needs to be charged up, basically what you do is you open this rubber mat on the bottom and there's a USB-A connection there. Just set that up, plug it in. Usually takes about 8 or 9 hours to charge, and then you can start using it again. The third thing that you need to check is whether or not the system needs a manual restart. There's actually two parts to this. The first thing is the Eufy base station. That's this object right here. This has to be restarted from the app. There's a way to do that in the Eufy app. The second part of it is actually pressing the sync button at the top of the camera itself, which is obviously kind of a pain, especially if it's at a remote location. But I found that generally that helps to reset the system. If that still doesn't work, just basically remove the camera from the system and then add it back in and see if it can't start working again.